Good evening, everybody. This is Ramya from Trivandrum Advice. Advice is a leading overseas education consultancy, and they are the pioneer in this industry from past 30 years. Advice directly represents to all the top universities, to all the major countries, and we have around 23 branches across India. So today I am planning to give you a topic regarding the key things to do after post submitting your application. Okay. So for the first thing is we have to go for a tracking of our application on a regular basis, because if it is a portal based application, we can check in the portal what is the status of the application. If it's a direct application, also there may be methods to check the process of tracking your application. So check the tracking of your application on a regular basis. Okay. And the next thing which we have to be ready is the financial part. The financial part, in the sense, we have the options like bank loan as well as direct funding. So if it's a direct funding for funds, make our funds arranged and all, then it is easy actually. Our funds is there, right? So we can make the payment accordingly. But if it is a bank loan, the bank required some sets of documentation for the bank loan process. So we have some time. We have some time till the offer letter, right? So we should be ready with the documentation. So you directly go to the bank which you're planning to take the bank loan, and then ask them what are the documentation which is required for the bank loan procedures, because we are giving the collateral security, right? So collateral security, they may require some old documentation and all, so it will be taking some time. So we can arrange the documentation meanwhile. Okay. And then, but definitely the bank will process the bank loan after getting your offer letter only, but we can arrange the documentation in between. Okay. And then once you get your offer letter, check with this whether offer letter is conditional or unconditional. So if it is a conditional offer letter, check what is the condition given over there. It may be your IELTS requirement or else education documents pending, something like that. So you can make it unconditional and then further go ahead with that. If it's an unconditional offer letter, check with what is the next procedures to be done. You can check with the counselor, or and then you can go ahead with the next procedures accordingly. And then after making the fees payment and all, we will be directly going to the visa process. Arrangement of documentation is very important. So we can arrange the documentation after making the fee payment, or before making the payment, we can arrange the documentation according to the each country wise informations to the asked by the counselors. Okay, so these are the major things which we have. The major thing which we should be ready is the tracking the application and the financial part. That is the major thing which we have to be ready with that. And this is what which I have to tell you. Tracking and loan process. After that, after getting the offer letter, the things are different. And before getting the offer letter, these are the process ready with that. And this is what which I have to tell you. Tracking and loan process. After that, after getting the offer letter, the things are different. And before getting the offer letter, these are the process. We have to track the application as well as we ready with the financial part also. And if you have doubts, you can ask me. I can help you with the further procedures. And then we have some online fairs going on for all the top countries. We have sessions available. So we will be having it in the website also. So or else if you are in touch with the counselors, you can get directly information from them also. And then we have some online events going daily. So you can participate in that, and you can check with the university delegates for the fairs. And then if we have an online session, the counselors are there to give you the virtual online counseling daily basis. So you can participate in that also. We have the link, everything in our website. You can refer the details and you can come across to us. Okay, so thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Thanks a lot.